If you're wondering whether you can still use Apple Pay when your iPhone battery is dead or the iPhone is turned off, the simple answer is yes, but only on supported iPhone models with Apple's Power Reserve feature enabled. So in today's video, we are going to show you how Apple Pay works when your iPhone has no battery remaining, what devices support the feature, and how to use it at a payment terminal. Now, you need to understand the Apple's Power Reserve feature. Apple includes a feature called Power Reserve on many newer iPhone models. This feature keeps a small amount of power available for essential functions even after the phone appears to be completely out of battery. With Power Reserve, you can continue using Apple Pay, Express Transit cards, some digital keys depending on your setup. Keep in mind that this feature is only available on supported iPhone models and may not work if the phone has been without power for an extended period. Now, when you are ready to make a purchase, look for a contactless payment terminal that accepts Apple Pay. Even if your iPhone appears to be turned off or displays a low battery icon, Power Reserve may still allow Apple Pay transactions. On supported devices, simply bring the top of your iPhone close to the contactless payment reader. You may see a message indicating that cards are available through Power Reserve or the payment process may begin automatically. Now, the most important part is keep the top of your iPhone close to the payment terminal for a few seconds. The NFC chip can continue functioning through Power Reserve, allowing the terminal to read your selected payment card. Wait until the terminal confirms that the payment has been accepted. And once the transaction is approved, the payment terminal will display a confirmation message. At this point, your purchase is complete even though your iPhone battery appears depleted. Keep in mind that not all iPhone models support Power Reserve. Apple Pay may not work if the phone has completely drained for many hours, and some cards or regions may have additional limitations. Keeping your iPhone charged is still recommended whenever possible, but if your phone has been powered off manually rather than running out of battery, Power Reserve behavior may vary depending on the device model. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to use Apple Pay when your iPhone is dead or turned off. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.